Installing a new ceiling fan should be an upgrade, not a project. Airgale ceiling fans are designed for easy installation in both indoor and outdoor spaces with flexible mounting options and a streamlined setup process. Once installed, Airgale delivers more than airflow. Durable blades provide smooth, quiet performance, while an energy-efficient motor offers variable speed control. Integrated dimmable LED lighting with multiple color temperatures allows you to customize brightness and ambiance. A reversible motor keeps your home comfortable year-round, and the included remote gives you control over speed, lighting, and direction. And unlike many competitors, all Airgale fans are DOE and CEC listed and UL certified for trusted efficiency and safety.